Here's Isaiah coloring his new book. We just got this at Barnes & Noble's with the gift certificate from his great-grandma and great-aunt. Alright, you're done with that? Okay, you ready for this? Wait, let's just go one page at a time. He's really into it. Ooh, what's that say?
Apple.
Yeah, very good. What does this say?
Apple.
Right here.
Then. Apple. R-E.
Very good. What does this say?
D-E. Apple.
What's that say?
Apple.
Very good. That's the way he pronounces orange. Okay, can you do that? There you go. Pick out your color. Good job. He is having fun with this book. We got some other cool books too. And he played with all the toys, but we couldn't find one that was perfect for him, so we just bought a few things. Are you done?
Yeah.
All right. Good job. Here you go. Let's go. You want to go to the next page? All right. All right. Wow, what does this say?
D.
Yeah, what does this say?
D. D.
Lollipops.
No, Eva. I. E.
Very good. What does this say?
Dada. D. No, Eva. D.
Very good. Can you do that?
Yeah.
Yeah? All right, here you go. Anyways, he's having fun with that. Is that green? Yeah, that's a dark green. Cool books. They have lots of cool stuff at Barnes & Noble's. Thank you for his gift. Here we are on day 1 of this new workbook, and he's on page 22. Just flying through it. What's this say right here?
Ada. D.
Orange cheese, that's right. What does this say?
Dada. O. F. D. B. F.
Yes, can you color all of the cheese orange? All right, here you go.
Dada.
Go for it. Good job. All right, you done?
Yeah.
All right, what does this page say?
A.
Right there?
O. L. F. D. R. Dada.
Objects. Can you circle all of the orange objects? Very good. Very good. All right. Good job. Yay, give me 5. All right. Here you go. Well, I was hoping you'd put the orange crayon back in there. It's off over there now. Oh, you're going to circle the green objects green? We don't need to do that here. Maybe on another page. Thank you. Alright, let's turn the page. Let's see. Ooh! Hey, how about that? Green. What's that say?
Da. V. Da.
Can you say that?
Da.
Frogs. Say frogs.
Da.
Alright, what's this say?
Da. Ow. F. D. Da. D.
Color all of the frogs green. Alright. Here, that one fell. Here you go. Can you color all the frogs green?
Yeah.
Yeah. Alright. On this side, color all of the frogs green. No, you don't need to circle them. Color them. Good job.
I need you. No.
How many frogs do you see?
3.
3, that's right. Did you finish? Yeah? 3 green frogs. All right, you're ready for the circling part, right? What's this say first? What's it say?
O. L. F. E. C. D.
Very good. Go for it. Circle all of the green objects. He's on a roll here. Good job. All right. You're going to color them too? That's pretty. All right. Good job. Give me 5. Here. Keep my hand still, huh? Good job. All right. You want to do another one?
Yes.
Yeah. Let's see what this is. Ooh, what's that say?
Uh-oh.
Yeah.
Da.
Plums.
Da.
Yeah. All right.
Yeah. Da.
Isaiah, plums? You want some plums? Or you want some prunes?
Da.
You want plums? If we had plums, I'd give them to you. Can you say bye to the camera?
Bye.
And Isaiah is still going. We're on page 34 now. Day 1 of this workbook. All right. What does it say? Right there.
Da. D. Da. Da. O.
Yes, go ahead. Trace the rectangles. You're doing really good. He's having lots of fun. Did you finish tracing it?
Yes.
Saw you color it, but did you trace it? There you go. All right. Ready for the next page? What's it say? What's this say? What does it say?
Da. D. Da. Da. O. L. D. Bye.
Okay, go for it. Color the rectangles on the page. Just the rectangles. Oh, you're going to trace them too? I mean, you can color them. Just the rectangles. Good job. He's so serious. You're tracing them, huh? You're going to color them too? Yeah? Maybe later? Good job. Do you see any more rectangles?
Yes.
That looks like a square to me. Is that a rectangle? It's a type of rectangle, but it's really a square because it has 4 equal sides.
Yeah.
Is that a rectangle?
No.
No? You're only supposed to color the rectangles. Cute. That's not a rectangle either. What is that?
Yeah.
Square. But it says to color the rectangles. Oops. Only the rectangles. Doing so good on this. This is fun. I like this workbook. Anyway, that's all for now. Okay, here we are continuing on page 46. This is day 1 and I am worn out, but he's not. So, what does this say?
That's my. That's all.
Very good. And what does this say?
Da. D. Da. 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 Da.
Triangles, yes. Can you circle the objects that are triangles? Very good. Whew, we've been doing this a long time today. He's doing really good. And I'm ready to wrap it up for today, but he's not. So on we go. Maybe one more page, I hope. We're on page 46, and we started on page 1. Did you get all the triangles?
Yeah.
Good job. Give me 5. Okay. You ready for the next page?
Yes.
What does it say? Right here.
No. D. F. N. S.
That's not food. Don't eat it. What's this say?
Da.
Right there?
Da. Da.
I think he's winding down. Yay. What's this say?
Do. O.
Right here, this word? Yeah, I think he's ready to stop. Look at that. Are you all done?
No.
No? You look all done to me. Okay, what's this say?
Do. O.
Right here, this word.
No.
Row, that's right. Don't eat the crayon. That word? Yay, we're ready to stop. Okay, let's stop, okay? Oh, we can do some more tomorrow.
No.
No? Okay, then tell me what that word says.
Da.
And this word?
N. A.
All right. Circle the object in each row that is a triangle. So we have 3 rows, remember? 1, 2, 3. Can you circle the object in the first row that is a triangle?
Do. O.
The triangle.
Do. O.
Can you circle the triangle in the first row?
Yeah.
Yeah, go for it. Can you circle the triangle? Yay, we are winding down. He is slowing down. Yay, Isaiah! Can you circle the triangle in the first row? Alright, good job. Can you circle the triangle in the second row? Good job. Can you circle the triangle in the third row? Oh, he's speeding up. Oh my. Good job. You finished. Give me 5. Give me 5. Alright. Alright. Okay. I think we're done here. I think we're done. Matter of fact, like we only have a few pages left, huh? Maybe I can... Oh, no, we have 63 pages. And we're on page 48. Okay, let's stop for today, okay? Let's go do something else. He's loving this. You want to do something else?
Yeah.
Yeah? Like what? Let's go play. Alright. Yay! Can you give yourself a hand? Clap for yourself. Yay! Good job.